Welcome to the Star Wars room. Let's take a look. Oh, the door is closing on us. Luckily here, we actually have the no-touch rooms, so you don't actually have to touch the doorknobs.
You'll be surprised at the price. Take a guess below.
As you can see, the whole room is themed like Star Wars. We have this monstrous chair. We have the bed that has that. It also has another TV in the roof for watching movies and stuff. We have over here, obviously, the bathtub, which we'll be checking out later on.
I just had to do this.
Welcome to the Star Wars room. Perfect for all your wild Star Wars party needs.
Lock the door, push the red button.
Oh, okay.
This button locks the doors, and they really value privacy at this place. So you have 2 sets of doors to go through with the ability to block people from coming in and to be able to get delivery without someone seeing what's inside the actual room. So you can play chess in privacy.
Welcome to the Star Wars room. It's a themed room around obviously Star Wars. Ooh, it's nice and cool in here. Didn't expect to see you here.
Mastermind.
The mastermind. We have an interesting bed. The tub looks really good. There's another toilet. Ooh, 2 toilets. We got a toilet there. And then over here, we have this toilet with a urinal in the hotel room. Now that's something that every hotel should have, is a urinal. On the bed, they give you fresh sheets. They also give you one of these. And you have a lovely food menu. Dare to try something different today. They do have Western breakfasts. They have all-day breakfasts, soups, some rice meals, some mains, some Korean food, some vegetables, some rice, some appetizers, some beer and some sandwiches, even some desserts. Well, there you go. Plenty of stuff to try something, or dare to try something different today.
Just notice the word protect without T.
Yeah. I was gonna say it'd be funny if that was expired, but it's not. Bubblegum flavor. It does look like there's some type of thing under the glass there. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah. Is there any buttons that like light it up or something, or?
Even though it's like a cabinet.
Yeah, there's a cabinet there. So you can push all the buttons. You get to hit every button and pretend you're flying a ship.
I guess the buttons could fulfill your chess fantasies.
They have built-in karaoke, so that's pretty cool. As every room should have. The aircon is pretty decent in here. There's a hidden compartment there. There's an ashtray. So I guess you can smoke inside the room. Now you get a condom with the bed. Dare to try something different today. Will we try something different? Possibly. They have food. Nothing too outrageous on the menu there. What about on the minibar list? The minibar is actually empty. The minibar is empty, but I guess you can order from the room service people, so they're pretty cool. I do like the hand touch. There are buttons that you can switch, which they turn on lights, but I mean, it's interesting, but it's not that spectacular, I guess. Ooh, look at me, I'm pushing lights on. There only seems to be a few of them. not many, so I'm not sure. There is also, above the bed, there is a controller you can move. Not sure. You can push buttons and make yourself feel like you're doing something, but realistically, are you? Jacuzzi instructions. Jacuzzi switch.
This is Hotel Ava in Manila, and it used to be called Victoria Court, but they split and rebranded some of their hotels. The only problem with staying in these places is they get very busy, so it's actually hard to book the room that you want, and even if you do, it might not be available when you get there, as what happened to us. But if you're open to surprises, then it's awesome.
Just like they did in Star Wars.
Another unique thing is they do have different rates if you stay for a hotel room to sleep in, as we did, or as opposed to a party with more people. So it means if you want to have a bachelor party or a mini chess tournament or some other type of gathering with multiple people, you can rent these rooms for that too.
It's nice. We have a jacuzzi at home.
Now you must be thinking we must be the biggest Star Wars fans if we booked a room like this. Or at least me, or potentially my wife, but more likely me, obviously. But actually, no. And that's probably why we aren't really prepared for this room with any insight or much knowledge of Star Wars. Like, I've seen some of the movies, but I'm not that into it, to be honest. Sorry to burst the bubble. But we actually booked another room. And when we got here, they said it wasn't available. We'd booked the room from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. And they said that we could have it at 10 a.m. if we wanted to. Which is awkward because one, we wanted to sleep overnight and because we're on a short layover, but two, we are flying at night, and three, we just landed and wanted to sleep. The reason was that the other guest had extended, which to me is a bit awkward because if we booked the room, sorry, you can't extend would be the normal way that this plays out, but nevertheless. So yeah, it is a bit awkward to book a room and then turn up and then they say, oh, that's taken, but you can have this other room that's more expensive. But they did at least give us a discount, although we did have to ask for it. But it was all worth it, and that's the kind of wild, crazy stuff that goes on behind the scenes to put this all together. Including on the way over here, we had to sleep on the airport benches, which was quite the awkward and very, very uncomfortable experience.
Shout out to the airport staff who have to sleep here so regularly that they bring their own sleeping bags. We had a long layover between flights, so we decided to hire a hotel, but on our previous flight, we didn't know that, so this was a major upgrade.
So if you enjoy it and you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff below.
The cost of this room was 3,650 pesos for 12 hours after a discount for the booking issue. And we'd originally booked a John Wick room, so maybe next time we can see that one. And if you made it this far, you'll enjoy one of these videos too.